So here we are at the 2011 block. It has been sent in for engineering to be re-sleeved. Well, so this one will go for complete rebuild in a couple of hours once we've removed the old bushes, opened here to ensure that all the journals are cleaned, all the springs are still in specification. Then it's ready to go off to the owner. This will be in the first yellow Atlas Copco compressor. They use that usually beside the road to do the jackhammering or things like that. They can also use it on drill rigs, those water bore machines. They use it there as well.